How to fix Messenger couldn't load high resolution image problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the issue on Messenger with it says couldn't load high resolution image. So now without further ado, let's get started. So starting with the step 1, that is to check internet connection. So if your connection is weak or unstable, Messenger can't load the image properly and so that errors. So make sure that you are connected to a strong and stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. With that, moving forward to the step 2, that is checking the Messenger app. So you can head over to the Play Store or App Store and search for Messenger app. And if there is any update available, just tap on update and it will fix the issue. And with that, if you are still having issues, you can try this. You can simply long press on the app icon and tap on app info. And here, once you are on the app settings, simply go to the permissions and ensure that all necessary permissions are enabled. And once you're done with that, simply go back and tap on storage. Now here in this section, simply tap on clear data and after that a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on clear cache and don't worry, this won't delete your chat, it just resets the app temporary files. And with that, if the issue still persists, you can just uninstall the Messenger and reinstall it. Sometimes a fresh install fixes bugs and glitches that cause these problems. And finally, you can try restarting your phone. So it might sound basic, but a simple reboot can solve a lot of minor app issues. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these methods helps you to solve the high resolution image not loading error on Messenger. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.